kitchen. Today we are going to make taco salad for dinner, so I am going to prepare a taco salad dressing. Said that twice. So this recipe works really good for 2 people. We'd like to make 2 big salads. This will pretty much cover what we need for the 2 of us. You can double it if you're a bigger family, whatever you want to do. So here we go. These are the things we're going to need. A half a cup of mayonnaise. You can use light mayonnaise if you prefer, or whatever kind you like. It just seems to be a common base for some salad dressings. A 1/4 cup of sour cream. You can use Greek yogurt if you prefer. We're going to have, let's see, this was a 1/4 cup of cilantro that's been chopped. Juice of at least 1 lime, 2 if you prefer. Matthew doesn't like it too tart. I don't mind it, but you know, we have to go somewhere in the middle. And some sugar, and a little bit of taco seasoning probably, and the last of our salsa that we have. I usually throw that in there too. So let's just get going. So I'm gonna, we like to do the salad dressings for our dinners a little in advance. That gives it time to let those flavors melt together. There's this 1/4 cup of sour cream. I don't use light. We used to buy light and then we don't care anymore. Okay, there's that. I'm going to put in the, that was handy. Oh, I guess I want to use this, what is it, salsa? I'll dump that in there. This is a spicy, locally made salsa that we really enjoy. And then now we need the cilantro. We're just putting it all in there, gonna mix it up. The cilantro here you can see. I wanted to share with you too that how we keep our cilantro. We buy a nice big bundle of it. I wash it all ahead, make sure it's pretty dry, and then I put it in a jar of water and then cover it really loosely with some plastic, like so. Not too tight, and then I put that in the refrigerator. It's pretty handy. That'll last us quite a long time. Okay, I'm making a mess. Time for the lime. We have one of these squeezers. These are really great. We got the stainless one because the ones that were colored, they used to end up chipping. So these are much better. So we'll use 1 lime. I like 1 is 2. But it's not all about me. Okay, there's that. Now sugar is just kind of gonna offset that lime a little bit. Just gonna use like just a splash of sugar. I think 1/4 teaspoon or so, something like that. And a couple shakes of just some taco seasoning and I might be using this for the meat that we're gonna do later too. So just a little bit of that in there. You could put something else in there if you wanted to, like chili powder, or, you know, just use your imagination. So now I'm gonna mix this all up. Super easy. And there you go, that's it. Doesn't get any better than that. I'm gonna stick this away in the refrigerator until we get the rest of our salad put together. So there we have our salad dressing, taco salad dressing. Thanks for watching 2 Cooks in the Kitchen. Remember to subscribe. We need those subscribers, and we'll see you next time.